Hello and welcome to this video. Today we're gonna be reviewing my favorite software, which is Clickfunnels. Now Clickfunnels is a company, but they have multiple products, and one of them is a website builder, which we're gonna be reviewing today. So in the previous video we discussed how to actually start online and the big picture of online marketing, and then we discussed how to create an offer. So you need an offer, you need an audience, and you need to create content. Now, while you're building this audience, you need to build assets. As you know, the greatest asset online is having an email list. So we're gonna use ClickFunnels to create an email list and then to create our offer in the form of a sales page or of a funnel that includes a sales page as well. So let's just dive into the main benefits and the main features of ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels is a simple software. It's really simple to use. It's not easy, but it's simple. But you need to use it for 2-3 days, and then it becomes really easy. And then it's drag and drop, which means you see a block, it's already pre-made, and then you take the block and you plug it into your website. Like you have a vision of how you want your website or funnel to look like, and then you have all these pre-made blocks like inputs, like images, text blocks, headlines, then quizzes, then like all these links. Then you take those links that are already pre-made and you plug them into your funnel, and then you choose color, you choose size, you choose fonts and all this, and you have your website ready. So it allows you to build quick websites and sales funnels that convert, because many of those templates that are inside ClickFunnels, they're proven to convert. So they got traffic to that particular sales funnels and they actually got sales, which means it converted. So you made this beautiful design or easy to use design, so the client or the visitor experience is good on your website, and you have all these templates already pre-made, so you don't have to reinvent anything. Also, it has this really easy to implement upsells. So as you know, the best way to increase average order value is to use upsells. So for example, your customer comes and he wants to buy a cup. So what would be the next thing that he needs for that cup? Probably he needs a spoon or something like this. This is the simplest example, but for example, you're selling books. So you can sell the book, and then you can sell like a video course teaching all those principles that you put into that book. So you're the author and you make those videos and you just put that as an upsell. For example, the book is $15, and as upsell, the video course will be $47, for example, like this. So you increase your average order value. Now, ClickFunnels is not only a page builder, it also has tools like Actionetics, which allows you to send emails and create automated campaigns, which is really useful in nowadays online marketing. And then you have all these tools organized in one dashboard, so you don't need to use different softwares, because prior to ClickFunnels I would have to use so many different sites and then to integrate all of them, which would make this like really time consuming. And now let's discuss the problem that most websites, like most traditional websites, have. So you just land it on a website and then you see all these menus and all these images and then button here, button there, all these headlines, and these are so many distractions. But ClickFunnels, like the main concept of funnels is that you need to make your page so that there's only one single action that you can make on that website, on that particular web page. So you have, for example, pretty much any funnel out there starts with a squeeze page. A squeeze page is where you collect data. So you collect contact data about your lead. So on squeeze pages, you're generating leads. So on a traditional website, you have the first page, which has like 100 links. And so for example, somebody named John, he comes on the website and he sees all these links, all these like articles, button here, button there, go to about us, go to this, and he has all these distractions. And guess what's gonna happen? Like, probably he's never gonna get to the page where you're actually selling. So for example, you have a selling website and you want to sell a product, and you have all these distractions, and like I show you in this diagram, you can have like probably about 30% of those people who land on the first page will reach the product page, and from those 30%, about 20% will click the add to cart button, and then from those 20%, about 30% will reach the checkout page, and from those 30%, 20% will actually purchase. So in the end, from 1,000 people, you'll end with 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 purchases maybe, which is terrible conversion. And sales funnels make it easier and make it more optimized for selling online. So the solution for this traditional website, if you're selling something, you need to use a sales funnel. And a sales funnel is a process that takes the visitor like exactly where you want to go. So if you want him to register for a webinar or to put in contact information, that's what a sales funnel allows you to do, because there's one action. So a sales funnel has all these steps, and they're designed so that they give the most value to your customer, so that he comes and he is really interested in your book. He saw some reviews and he wants to buy your book. But then you think you can help him further. So you show him this upsell where you explain every single principle that you put in that book. So he gets the most value and you get more profit. Now what can Clickfunnels do? So Clickfunnels can generate leads, can sell your product, you can run a webinar using Clickfunnels, and you can send emails, and all of this by using one single software, not others. You don't need like a webinar page or a webinar software. Then you don't need an external page where you can sell your product. For example, some builders out there don't allow you to sell your product. Then you can generate leads, as I explained. Clickfunnels has a lot of templates that are already pre-made, where you have like your email and then button, and just the purpose of that page is to collect emails. Now what other people do, they just have a website and then they have this pop-up that bothers pretty much everyone, and the subscribe, like the people who convert through that link and through that pop-up and leave their email is really low. Now these are just a couple of things that Clickfunnels can do. If you want to see all the features that it has, you can click the button below and claim your free account. They're not gonna charge you for 14 days, so you can experiment and see if it's right for your business, but I'm kind of sure it's right. So now let's see, why is Clickfunnels so good? So it's beginner friendly. It can be used, like the main purpose why Clickfunnels was made, that's what the founder of Clickfunnels says, it was made for people who have no technical skill and no programming skill. So you don't need even designing skill, because there are templates that are pre-made. Then there are integrations. If you want to integrate some software that does something specific really that you love, so for example for a couple of years you've been using some software and you want to stick with it, you can connect that to Clickfunnels, because it integrates pretty much with any software out there. So pre-made templates, they have this thing called cookbook, where there are entire funnels, but with another website builder you need to build everything from scratch, and it's really hard to implement and takes more time. Then besides all these technical benefits, there is also free education, which Clickfunnels is going to teach you a lot of marketing, because for selling online you need marketing, you need to learn advertising, you need to learn market research, and Clickfunnels has a lot of videos that are going to help you. They have their YouTube channel where they teach you everything, then they have documentation where you can learn pretty much from building your funnel to marketing strategies. Now Clickfunnels is a software that allows you to sell your product online, and you're probably wondering, is it good for me or is it good for my business? So you can see here a list of all of those who can use this. If there is you have a business that is not listed here, you probably can use it as well. So agency freelancers, those who sell informational products, those who sell physical products, those who do consulting or network marketers, local small businesses. Then if you like writing and you have a blog or you want to start a blog, and then if you promote other people's products and you're an affiliate, you can use Clickfunnels as well. Now, besides the basic package, which is Clickfunnels, you can also use the full, because Clickfunnels has two packages, the Startup and the Artisan Suite. Now, the Artisan Suite includes Actionetics and Backpack. Actionetics, it allows you to create email automation. When somebody comes to your squeeze page and he leaves you his contact details, you can then send them emails because you know they're interested in your offer. Now we have Backpack, which is a software that is for those who are more advanced, who already have their own product. And with Backpack, you can create your own affiliate area, which means you can hire affiliates and they can register in your funnel, and when they promote your product, you give them a commission, and all of this is automated. Now, my favorite part about Clickfunnels is the community. Clickfunnels, which is a Facebook group, and then different channels, forums where you can interact with other Clickfunnels users. I would probably pay the Clickfunnels price to only be in the Clickfunnels community because it's so encouraging and all of those people have the same purpose, you know, to serve more clients using their business and using the online method. And then I have my own group, which is for people who use Clickfunnels. And if you're interested, there's a link below where you can be a part of my group, where I usually help people with their funnels, give them ideas, or just help them with technical questions. I want to end this with this quote that I usually tell people because I tell them the same thing. They think that Clickfunnels is an expense and all these softwares out there are an expense. Maybe some of them are, but Clickfunnels is designed to make you more money. So Clickfunnels should not be an expense. It's a tool to make your business prosper. Alright, so if you have any questions after watching this video, you can comment below or reach out to me with the links below as well. And I will answer your questions about Clickfunnels. Or maybe you're on the fence, you want to make sure that Clickfunnels is right for you. I can help you see or design your next funnel. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave it a like and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be making more videos about online softwares, about creating your online business, entrepreneurship. If you like this video, leave it a like and subscribe so that you get notified about my future videos, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.